So what is a virtual physical therapy session? I'm glad you asked. People are always wondering, how can we actually do a virtual session since we are considered a manual physical therapist? Well, I like to explain, what do you think tells these things, our hands, what to do? And that's our mind and our eyes. So as long as we're able to see you move, and you have a couple instruments or tools that you can start working on things on your own, we can do a very, very effective virtual session to keep you moving along your health journey and get you to the end point that you want to without having to come into the clinic. We do this all the time with people who are traveling, who are pilots, who are on business trips. As long as you have your phone, an internet connection, and a few things to work with, we'll be able to help you along your way and closer towards your health goals going forward. So don't hesitate on booking your virtual session during your time with us here, and that will help speed along the process for when you reach your final destination and goals that you want to achieve.